Welcome to Living a Sustainable Dream, and it is a beautiful spring day. I got full sun on my panels. There is a beautiful blue sky today. All around me, we got a little bit of snow on the ground, but this is my first day of spring break, and it's time to get some work done. So my honeydew list has grown over the winter, and it's time to get the box blade back on the tractor and start making some progress. So we're going to convert our tractor generator back into just a tractor. Thanks for joining us. If you're just now wondering where this video is going, the amount of activity in it is pretty crazy. This is all just to get one implement for the tractor out and hooked on the tractor. It is underneath a shed of the old cabin, and it is blocked by all the snow and by this pickup truck, the 68 Chevy pickup truck of mine. That is not running. So I had to drag it out of the way as well as move all the snow, which if you live on any homestead and you're getting prepared for doing some major work and you're accessing an implement you haven't used since last season, it gets a little creative to try and get, from the winter into the spring mode. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I really had a lot of fun doing the split screens. Something new that I'm trying out with the open source video editing blender And Blender is an open source video editing program that you can use to edit videos. And I pretty much use two free things, which is Movie Maker and Blender. So if you're a person that likes to make videos or try to make videos, I'll put a link to the tutorial that teaches you how to convert Blender to a video editor. Now, here is the prize. This is what I've been working so hard for all day long. And this is the only sunny day so far on the spring break, and I'm kind of suffering from a pretty bad cold right now. So I haven't been out doing much work in the rain, but this was a beautiful day, and the only beautiful day we've had so far. As you can see here, this is probably my well, I edited it out pretty much. I had about 6 or 7 different approaches to this box blade, so I could get it hooked on, and then I have to go back and adjust the tractor just slightly to get it to work, get it to hook on. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but it just was challenging. I had never hooked one up before. I've only taken it off, so this is, you know, it came to me all hooked up. So this is me hooking it up for the first time and getting it going. I also realized I had 2 cotter pins missing that I needed to really work this this unit. So on Tuesday, which was Weber Forever Day, and I'll talk about that in a different video. My family, we went down to Post Falls and went to Jordan Sales and Services, which is the place we bought our Kioti tractor, and they hooked us up with a couple more cotter pins, and we even got some cool hats. They just finally got them in stock. We were supposed to get them a year ago, but they didn't have them. But it was kind of cool to actually get hats for the family. And also, I was able to get filters for the hydrostatic fluid and the oil. So I'll be changing the oil and the filters soon, and that'll be another video I'll do later. Anyway, I think it's time to go back to some music. Thanks for joining us in this video. Appreciate you guys that subscribe and like what we're doing here on Living a Sustainable Dream. Thank you.